Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky, and this is where I help you find your voice and create music with your drums. Today, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the 8-inch Wuhan Splash Cymbal Giveaway. I know you've been waiting, some of you guys, for like a whole month, because the competition lasted a whole month, and now I'm like a week late announcing the winner. Sorry about that. It's been like 45 days since I've released a video. But I'm gonna do this one, and hopefully I'll get some more videos out in the future. But let's go ahead and check out who the winner is. I did this competition or this giveaway with King Sumo, so it's all automated, and you guys entered. There was 51 contestants, as you can see, and 1,330 entries. For those of you who entered, you know that there was like lots of things that you could do in order to get entries. So I have already awarded the competition winner, or the giveaway winner, and I'm going to show that now. And for their privacy, I'm just going to show kind of the beginning of the email address, and you can see 8-inch Wuhan. Here it comes, and the winner is Mark.Hartley at, well, hopefully that person knows. Now, I'm not going to email you Mark Hartley at whatever the extension of your email is. You are going to have to watch this video and respond to me and say, hey, I want to claim my prize. And so you can reach me in the comments below this video and say, that's me, I'm the winner. And then email me at mike@drumsandguitar.com, mike@drumsandguitar.com. I'll post that in the comments below. Now, if you're watching this and you didn't win, if Mark does not respond to this video in 1 week and let me know, I will do another drawing, and so you still have a chance to win. If he does contact me, or she, I'm assuming it's a he, I will email everyone who entered the competition and say, thanks for entering. Mark did contact me and you didn't win. So thank you guys so much for all your support. I'm at like 3,600 or something subscribers. I'm so thankful to everyone who has watched one of my videos for a thumbs up or a comment, or just sitting through one of my videos and watching that. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really, really appreciate it. That Splash Cymbal video now has like 82 likes. I said if it got 50 likes, I would do another giveaway. I would love to do another giveaway. I think I'm gonna do one in December. And I got a few things laying around the studio that I can give away. So I'm gonna pick something and check for a video around December 1st for a new giveaway, and we'll try to get you something for Christmas. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me today, and congratulations to Mark. Please contact me so I can mail you your prize. Hopefully you live in the United States, so it doesn't cost me an arm and a leg to mail this thing out to you. But I'm super excited for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Peace.